how will the health care changes impact people in California? Well, KCAL 9's Randy Page is live in Westwood with those answers. Randy?
Well, you know, the California marketplace is extremely strong. There are a lot of health insurers in the market, plenty of choices for people, and also the state's done a great job of convincing younger, healthier people to get health insurance policies in the market. Here's the problem. The concern is that today's executive order from the president and other policies may convince these young, healthy people to get out of the market, get cheap policies, leaving sicker, older people inside the market, making costs go up. Here's what the president had to say and a response from one of the state's leading healthcare policy experts.
I will sign an executive order taking the first steps to providing millions of Americans with Obamacare relief.
I'm not sure what that means. Obamacare is a relief, and taking it away is going to be lack of relief.
Professor Nadare Porat, who is a director at the UCLA Center for Health Policy Research, says the executive order President Trump signed today will not, as the president contends,
increase competition.
This is not a new idea. We lived it, and competition didn't work.
Increase choice.
Increase the choice of junk policies, sure.
And increase access to lower-priced, high-quality health care options.
You cannot get cheap insurance policies that provide great coverage. It's impossible.
Professor Porat says the president's executive order provides a loophole that would allow people to buy health insurance policies across state lines that don't offer coverage for unexpected medical conditions.
You don't expect to get pregnant and you get pregnant. When you don't expect to have breast cancer and you have breast cancer. That's not something that you planned on having or doing, and then you look at your policy and your policy is not even worth the paper it's written on.
The president and his supporters say Obamacare is failing in many parts of the country, leaving people with few options, and they say this executive order will give them access to affordable care. There was a lighthearted moment in Washington today when the president forgot to sign the executive order with cameras rolling.
I'm only signing it because it costs nothing.
Today, California's Attorney General says, and I'm quoting now, it should come as no surprise that California is prepared to fight in court to protect affordable health care for its people. It's also worth noting that there's still a ways to go for this executive order. First, the agencies have to adopt rules, and there will be public comment. This could be months away, but it is clear many states will be responding like California, and this could see a battle in court. Let's go back to you.
There's more to come for sure. Randy, thank you.